Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to try the Garden Gourmet's veg falafels. This and some of the vegan recipes are the fastest selling recipes of Nestle, and this is being produced in Czech Republic. If you haven't tried this, do try this with the Indian taste of how I'm going to show you today, because usually they boil this or grill it and have it with some vegetables. So that's what I found in the Garden Gourmet site. But for me, spices are more important. So I'm going to add some Indian tadka to it. Let's see, it's one of the easiest recipes. Also, for all my European friends, the spices I'm going to use today for making this kofta curry is available at Tesco. So definitely try this and let me know in the comment section. Before that, like, share, subscribe and comment, okay? Let's get into the video. For doing this recipe, you'll need 1 packet of Garden Gourmet, half a cup of soya milk. Since it's vegan recipe, I'm maintaining that authenticity, so I'm using soya milk, which is also thick, and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 cinnamon stick, 4 cardamoms and 3 cloves, and little bit of salt, chili powder and coriander powder. And we have our fried onions. Nicely fry the onions. We fry the onions, and after frying the onions, let it cool down and then add some soya milk. This is grinded into a nice fine paste. You can also add the rest of the soya milk and leave it aside. Simply heat up 1 tablespoon of oil, and once it's hot, let's add the cinnamon stick, 4 cardamom. I can see this is fried a little bit. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Secret ingredient is I also add lime when I'm grinding the ginger garlic, so it does remain the same color. Also, it adds some sourness to the curry, so you can also try that. Now when this is little bit sauteed, you can add the fried onion soya mix, a small teaspoon of salt, chili, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. You don't have to wait for the onions to fry because it's already fried. See, this is ready, and I'm going to add some water and make it into a normal curry. So yeah, the smell is really good. Now we have to lower the stove. See, it's like a thick paste right now. Adding some more water, so I can let the falafels boil. So now I'm going to add the veg falafels and slowly give a stir. Just close it and cook it for a while, and then your awesome kofta curry or veg falafel curry is ready. Guys, do try this veg falafel kofta curry Indian style and let me know in the comment section how it is. Meet you next video. Bye bye.